Hello friends, this is Ramesh, founder of Money Maths. I had the privilege of attending Prem Sai's session, Parichay Pehchan Khud Se. That's one of the wonderful sessions I have attended. It's a transformation session and it is going to reflect our inner self. As in Bhagavad Gita said, it is know yourself, know thyself. And I say that this workshop has brought me the inner things. It introduced me to myself, starting from looking at myself without roles. That is one of best experience which I got, how to look at ourselves without any kind of roles as a father, business person, employee. And the second, the activity where it is green activity, it is going to test us that how we are reacting or how our feelings are there, and how that we are in our real lives, acting to the different situations. And the third is where we are going to be judgmental. In our lives, we judge so many things. But through this exercise, there are different perspectives which she has opened up, so that there are different perspectives which we can see to it. And the last one, not to be judgmental. That's what I mean to say. And the last one is about how that we are going to, collaborate with other friends and families. How come that we build so many good things in the real life? My dear friends, it's highly recommendable so that you come to know about yourself. And this is the first step for you to identify yourself. So please, what are you waiting for? Attend and then know yourself.